bibili ko building, what's that? Thomas Train. Right na? Thomas Train. Bibili ko only 3 years old. Smart. Bibili ko.
Not, Mommy.
Yeah, you can try this slowly. You did it how many times? See, well done. Slowly. This is slowly. Slowly. There you go. Last 2. Last 2.
It's not.
Okay. Let's try. See? Last one. Okay. See? You got it. You got it, huh?